Okay, Team Impact, it is Monday, February 10th. It's cold out, so we might as well do some math, right? In the folder, you'll find Lesson 7 answer key. So if you're at home, check your homework from Friday. I'm getting caught up. I was out on Friday. But anyway, we are moving on to solving more inequalities. Today we're going to be working on multiplication and division equalities. We're going to be working on the multiplication property of inequality and the division property of inequality, which just means that we're working backwards. We're going to treat these just like the addition and subtraction inequalities. So we're going to be working on these two pages. And if you flip it, this is not the homework, but this is homework number 8. Make sure that's done for Tuesday. I don't know that I'll get through this whole thing on the lesson. I'm running behind here, but I did want to go over at least the first page with you, and then you can work on the second page. This is just a clip in case you were at home, just to kind of get you started. So let's get started here, and here we go. So to solve an inequality that says 2x is less than 10, the inverse of multiplication is division. So I always draw my t, divide both sides by t, x is less than 5, right? And remember, if it doesn't have the equal sign, the circle is going to be empty. So I'm going to start right here, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I'm going to circle 5. And I'm going to leave it empty, and I'm going to go that way. Remember, if the variable's first, the arrow tells you which way to go. Okay? Let's slide over to number 2, and you're getting the idea. Divide both sides by 7. A is greater than or equal to 9. So the variable's first. Let's go. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I circle 9. I fill it in because there's an equal sign, and I go that way. Okay? And again, I'm only going to do this first page because of time purposes this morning. All right? Pencil's having problems here. All right, here we go. Balance beam. Multiply by 3, multiply by 3. M comes down. M is greater than or equal to 24. So I always start one below it, 23, 24, 25, and you're getting the idea. So I started one below the 24 at 23. I put a circle above it. I fill it in because there's an equal, and I'm going to go that way. Okay. Number 4, this is no different. They just put the answer first, or the solution to it, I guess. We're going to multiply by 4 on both sides. K is less than 8. I don't like my variable second. So I'm going to write an or and put it first. I'm going to put a less than sign and put my 8 over here. That way I know which way to go. So I'm going to go 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Circle 8, leave it empty, and we're going that way. Okay? So these are really a lot of fun. That means any solution less than 8 works for that. Balance beam. Divide both sides by 7. X comes down. X is greater than or equal to 4. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. We're going to circle here, fill it in, and we're going to go to the right. Okay. Balance beam. Multiply by 5, multiply by 5. P comes down. P is less than 15. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Okay. I circle 15. I'm going to leave it empty, and I'm going to go that way to the left. So any solution less than 15 works for this inequality. Just an inequality means that there's multiple answers for it, right? All right, let's balance beam, and here we go. Multiply by 2, C comes down, C is less than or equal to 14. Variables first, the arrow tells me which way to go. 15, 14, 13. Put a circle there, fill it in, and go that way. So you're kind of getting the idea, all right? I'm going to do one more with you, and I'm going to go over the homework one more time with you because of my time purposes. But the solutions first, I'm going to divide both sides by 3. That's one of the big key elements here, or teaching points. Make sure that you're dividing with the number with the variable. N comes down, less than or equal to 6. Excuse me, so 6 is greater than n, or n is less than 6, which seems a lot better, doesn't it? So we are 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Circle 6, leave it empty, and go that way. So just a real quick deal here this morning. So I did the first 8 with you. You can pause the video, go back, and check it out. Just make sure that your circles are either empty or full according to the inequality sign. I want you to continue to do this. We're going to do all of this in class. You know, down here, and I'll do one of these on number 15 real quick, but they're giving us a solution for m. So 4 times 3 is 12. Is 12 less than or equal to 16? Well, sure it is. So that answer is yes. So they're giving us that value, plug it in for the variable, and then see if the inequality is true, right? 21 divided by 3 is 7. Is 7 greater than 5? Well, yeah, sure. So I just write yes. So make sure you do that as well. One more time, we have homework number 8. It is right here. Get this page done for Tuesday. Con is due Friday. Have a great day, guys.